If you've ever started a woodworking project only to get stuck halfway, confused by vague instructions, or missing crucial measurements, you're not alone. It's frustrating when you're excited to build something but don't have a clear, reliable plan to follow. That's why I was excited to find something that completely solves this problem. Imagine having instant access to over 16,000 detailed woodworking plans, complete with step-by-step instructions, photos, and diagrams to make even tricky projects simple. Ted's Woodworking offers exactly that, and it's designed for all skill levels, even if you don't have a fancy workshop or expensive tools. I'll tell you more about it later, but if you're curious, you'll find the link in the description below. Before you spend your hard-earned money on a Resaw tool, there are a few things you need to know. Not all Resaw tools are created equal, and picking the wrong one can leave you frustrated with poor cuts, wasted materials, and a tool you barely use. You need to think about the size of your projects, the power of the motor, and especially the width of the blade. A narrow blade might be cheaper, but it will wander and ruin your work, while a properly sized blade paired with the right tension and horsepower will slice through hardwoods like butter. Also, don't fall for the hype of the biggest or most expensive machine. What matters most is precision, ease of adjustment, and how well it fits into your workflow. In fact, before buying anything, I recommend testing a few models if you can, whether that's at a local store, a friend's workshop, or a woodworking show. Feel the stability, check how easy it is to set the fence, and listen to how the motor runs under load. And one huge tip: invest in a high-quality blade right from the start. Even the best Resaw machine will perform terribly with a cheap, dull blade. So take your time, do your research, and match the tool to the type of work you plan to do. Trust me, a smart choice now will save you endless headaches and a lot of money later. Oh, and before you go, if you want a massive boost to your woodworking skills, don't forget to check out Ted's Woodworking. It's the world's largest collection of 16,000 done-for-you plans with easy-to-follow instructions. Perfect even if you're just getting started. Links is in the description.